Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is part 2 of the Maniology series. I'm going to take 2 fall plates along with the stamping polishes that you see here and create some fun, easy designs. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. So to start out with, we're going to use the Modern Masterpiece stamping plate M217. And this plate I was really intrigued with because of the nail decals that I've seen over the last year, where they have blobs of color and then an outline of a face. And I was really excited to get this plate because now I can be creative with any color on a set of nails, and I'm not limited to the nail art decals that are 1 or 2 colors. Like, I can change the colors up and this plate will last a lifetime. So yeah, really excited about this. So with this first design, I am placing these blobs of color kind of where I think that the outline of the face will go. I really wanted to try this design out immediately because I just love that look. And like I mentioned earlier, I've seen a lot of nail art decals like that. Now I am working on top of cured gel polish. That is my preference of stamping on top of cured gel polish. It just makes it easier if you do make mistakes. It's a quicker cleanup. It's just easier for me. That way I'm not stressed out if I make a mistake. How am I going to fix it if the base of the nail is a nail lacquer? Having said that, I have seen that you can use Scotch tape and just sort of tap the mistake away if you're using nail lacquer completely and not a gel polish. I have not tried that yet. I would think you would have to work quite quickly with the Scotch tape because the nail lacquer does dry rather fast. So here I didn't want a couple of the little dots, so I just take a Q-tip with acetone and wipe the areas away that I don't want showing on the nail tip. And again, that is why I prefer to stamp on top of gel polish or hard gel, because it is just easier to clean up any mistakes. And this is what the first nail tip looks like. A really fun fall look. This actually looks like a really classy lady in the fall. Okay, let's move on to the second design and see what I decided to come up with. So I am doing another silhouette face design, and I am trying to strategically place these blobs of color of where the hair and the lips might be. And then when I place the outline of the face, it will kind of actually look like a painting of a face. So here I thought I would try something new with 2 different colors and try to, I don't know what I was trying to do, place these swirls on the empty parts of the nail tip with the different colors. This didn't turn out quite exactly how I envisioned it, but I am happy with the end result. Just something kind of, I'm not going to say whimsical. I don't know what the word is. I got tired of stamping like for the dots by this point, so I decided just to put some of the nail lacquer on the plate and put the dots on myself instead of stamping the dots on, and it worked really well. In fact, you get more of an intense dot that way. And I like the fact that you can draw or do some art or fill in colors with the Maniology nail lacquer. Okay, this next design that I'm going to do, I've seen nail artists do this with gel polish or gel paint, and I wanted to recreate that look using these products from Maniology and stamp the image. You know how you get the blobs of color and then the leaves on top? That's been very popular this fall. I cannot draw a stem with leaves if my life depended on it. So this actually turned out really well, and I'll just let you watch and see for yourself how it turned out. See, there is no way I could draw leaves like this, and I love how this turned out, but I'm not done yet. The black polish that I'm using is straight up black, and I'm finding that this black is just so easy to work with. And then you will see that I'm going to add some dots instead of stamping. So here I'm using pine and just adding some random dots. And I'm also going to use dusk as well on top of the nail tip. Or is that the bottom? You'll see. This is what I call the top of the nail tip, but I guess technically it's the bottom, isn't it? And then for a really simple design, I'm taking dusk and I'm going to put it over top of Viola. A real simple design, this peacock blue on top of a fuchsia pink, and the color just pops. You can even add in some gold or silver like inside some of these leaves that have that negative space to it. I think that would look nice as well. And then for the last design, I'm taking a nail tip that has dusk on it, and I'm going to use a gold stamping polish. I'm using Caption's Eat My Dusk gold stamping polish. I don't have a gold one from Maniology, unfortunately, but I wanted you to see how this would look on top of the dusk peacock blue. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my own wreath instead of using the wreath that's around the Hello Autumn there. You'll see. And I kind of want the wreath to be oblong because of the shape of the nail. And I'll just let you watch to see what I came up with. And here's a closer look at all 5 designs. I really love these 2 plates. You can create some really nice fall designs using some beautiful traditional fall colors. And I found that these 2 plates, they were very easy to use, very consistent with their etching, so I didn't find that I was struggling to pick up an image at all. And you can create something simple. You can pick up an image and isolate a section of that image and apply it to the nail. The possibilities are endless. I think the middle nail tip is my favorite. I've always been envious of nail techs that can hand paint this design. I could do probably everything but the leaves on the stem. I struggle with those leaves. I know, just practice. And then of course the silhouette of the faces. I absolutely love that in a stamping plate because then you can use whatever colors you want and you can use it all year round and you never run out as you would with nail art decals. So all products that I used in this video I will link in the description box below, and don't forget to use my discount code Auralite10 and you get 10% off your Maniology order. And again, as a reminder, you can use this discount code as many times as you want. There is no limit, so that is very nice, and thank you again to Maniology for supplying this discount code for all of you out there. And there will be a part 3 to this series. I have 2 more plates that I want to share with you guys. I will be creating some designs with gel polish as well, and images that can be used all year round, not just for fall. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Like and comment this video. That helps my channel to grow and it helps my videos get out there in the YouTube universe so everyone can see my content, and maybe something can resonate with someone that didn't know I even existed. So your help would be really, really appreciated. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and for all the feedback on part 1 of this series. I really appreciate everyone's input and their opinions. And I think that is it. Until the next video, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and we will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.